This video is going to show how to assign rooms for components using the room property in OrCAD Capture to efficiently place parts during PCB layout. A room property will help optimize component placement on the PCB by grouping like components and circuitry together. Open the provided design in Capture. Let's assign a room to the connectors in the design. Right-click and select Selection Filter or press Ctrl-I on the keyboard. In the Selection Filter window, select Clear All to uncheck all elements. Check Parts. Click and drag to select connectors J1, J2, and J3. Only the schematic symbols are highlighted. Hold Ctrl and select J4 and J5. Right-click any of the selected parts and select Edit Properties to open the Property Editor tab. Select New Property. Enter Room for the name and click OK. The property is added to the list as a row. To fill the property for all instances at once, select the property, right-click and select Edit. Enter the name Connector in the resulting window and click OK. The name is assigned to all selected components. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. Next, we'll assign a room to all power supply circuitry. Click and drag to select all power supply components in the upper half of the schematic. Right-click one of the components and select Edit Properties. Select New Property in the Property Editor tab. Enter Room for the property name and click OK. Select and right-click the property. Click Edit. Name the room Power and click OK. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. Lastly, we'll assign a room to the Amplifier circuitry. Click and drag to select the Amplifier components at the bottom of the schematic. Right-click one of the components and select Edit Properties. Select New Property in the Property Editor tab. Enter Room for the property name and click OK. Select and right-click the property. Click Edit. Name the room Amplifier and click OK. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. Quickly define rooms to ensure proper component placement and efficient PCB layout with OrCAD Capture. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.